Hello and welcome to my new Guitar-Nerdery video. Today I'd like to make you aware of that you can apply the extraordinary Meola strumming technique to funk guitar playing. 16th notes, that's the main topic when it comes to playing funk guitar. Lots of funk tunes are very fast in playing. So you have to manage to play 16th notes in a fast tempo on single strings and with chords. So that would be strumming then. Watching those awesome funk guitar players, watching their right hand technique, they're going a great distance in a really fast tempo. They are really working there. And that is necessary due to an issue we have when we play with a plectrum. We never can play strings at the same time. It's always a one after another. So if we play a chord, we have to take care that the movement is really fast so that those single strings get really tight together, that we perceive it as a chord and not as an arpeggio. And that explains why the strumming has to be wide in distance. If, for example, the tempo is like this, if my strumming movement would only be as wide as the distance from the lowest to the highest string of the chord, it would sound like this. It's not really tight, it's very muddy. If I now widen the distance of my strumming, the width, you surely hear that the chord sounds tighter when the movement is getting wider. And that's because in both situations the tempo is the same, and when I do wider movements I have to go a greater distance in the same time. So the movement has to be faster. I cross the strings faster then. This kind of playing, these wide strummings, that's not really working for me. I'm always striving for economic movements. Here the Meola strumming technique comes in. The main movement should come from the wrist anyway, but when you do really wide strummings like this, there's a little bit of elbow involved. And Meola prevents this from happening by lifting up his wrist like this. So the movement of the hand is not like this. It's more a twisting of the ulnar and radius. And this way you can really keep your elbow calm. But when it comes to the distance I'm going here in strumming, it's nearly the same. Look, when I do this, it's approximately from here to here. If I would do it like this, it would be... I can't do this. So by simply lifting your wrist, you're making a simple down and up movement, a wide down and up movement, a twisting movement. And that spares a lot of energy. that's so cool about this strumming technique of Meola. These fast fills you can also integrate into funk guitar playing. Imagine these great distances that are really hard to manage. I wouldn't be able playing 30 seconds going this distance with this movement. In funk guitar, a lot of times there are single notes played, but with more damped strings around to get a percussive sound. Or chords only on the high strings. And that's actually what I wanted to make you aware of today. Although Meola's playing style and his music is not funk music, his strumming technique really fits into the funk guitar world. A more economic approach of this fast, wide 16th strumming and making also fast fills easily possible. This was it for today. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. And I'm looking forward to see you next time.